What's up, everyone? Everyone keeps asking me what my plans for 2025 are, and every year, everybody always asks me how much longer you're gonna keep racing. And yeah, I didn't want to announce anything earlier this year. AC and Phil and some other guys kind of put out their retirement videos, announcements back then, and yeah, I'm getting older, 37 now, got 3 kids. They're getting big. Obviously, I'd like to be home with them more, and yeah. So some tough decisions, kind of trying to make this off season, and yeah, just want to let you guys know for 2025, the plan is
I'm not fucking leaving.
see you day one.
37 years old. You want to talk about veteran? That is him right there. Kyle Chisholm, if you watch that, obviously you just did to get to this point. We're going to have him at least for another year. Who knows if that's just Supercross or the full shebang of Supercross, motocross, and the playoffs. But who knows? It's at least cool. I mean, obviously fan favorite, one of the best personality guys around. It's always cool to see these kind of guys keep going, having fun with it. I mean, obviously at this point, it's very much the twilight of his career. Probably never going to win a championship in the future or this year, let's be honest. But it's still cool to see him racing, still cool to see him out there competing. And you never know. Guys like this, 1 year, 2 years, you never know how long you're going to get. Especially, the rest of the the older crowd, Webb, Rocks, and all those guys too. Next coming up years, we're going to lose a lot of people. So cool to see him still go. Comment down below, though. Tell me what you think. Obviously, like you said, A1's coming up. Who do you think wins? Who do you want to win? Are you happy with who's racing the West Coast for the 250 guys? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.